Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Canon G5. We are doing an unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II. That's right, I got me the PowerShot Canon G7X Mark II, and I'm so excited about this because now the vlogging game is about to go up. You feel me knocking? Let's get started. So first and foremost, I got mine from Best Buy. Get it from Walmart and probably Amazon and things like that, but I was at the store, so I said, what the hell, why not? One thing led to another, and boom, I have a G7X Mark II. I did purchase mine about 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it for vlogging and things like that. So I want to get into what it comes with and the things that I bought for it. So I paid, with tax and everything, and no, I didn't buy any insurance for it or anything like that. I paid $694.55. Is kind of expensive due to the fact that it didn't come with nothing. So that's what I want to touch bases on. So if you buy it from Best Buy, you do not get no accessories, you don't get a SD card, you don't get it. The only thing you get when you buy it from Best Buy is the charger, and that's it, in a manual. That is all you get when you buy it from Best Buy. Now, I know when you buy it from Walmart, you get like a bundle package, and they have it with the tripod and things like that. I don't know. Again, I didn't buy mine from Walmart. I bought it from Best Buy, but I did scout Walmart out, and they do have that option. Now let's get into the accessories that I bought for it, okay? So this is the camera. Okay. I did buy a screen protector. As you can see, I didn't do such a good job. I got a big old air bubble right there, but I did buy a screen protector for my screen display, and it comes out like this, and it's definitely for different angles and things like that. So yep, I got that. I also got this silicone case, and all of the accessories that I'm mentioning are from Amazon. If I can find them, well, if I can, I will link them down below if you're interested. Yeah. Oh, and the camera came with this. It came with the wrist thingy from Best Buy. So yeah, I got this silicone case, and it comes with the little thing to cover up the actual lens portion of it, like that. And it's in a nude color. This camera is lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it being extra heavy or anything like that. I love how slim and sleek it is. It's perfect, and it records perfect. I love that they have the flip out camera and everything. And let me go ahead, and I'm actually filming on my Canon Rebel T5i with the stock lens, and I will incorporate this clip into this video so that you guys can see what it looks like me recording. And I do have all of my lights and everything up, so this is what it looks like, you know, with the full works, okay? And I will actually have another clip of what it looks like when I was recording in the dark, so you guys can see what that looks like too. So the next thing that I did get for my camera was this like purse for the camera, like. It comes with a little dent for the lens to set in, and it has a suede material in it, and it goes like this, just like that, and it fits with the silicone case on it, and then it has a little clip. You can clip it to your bag, and this also has a wrist holder, and it also came with this cloth. Then I also got this, I think it's called the Gorilla tripod, the Joby tripod, and this is for the camera so that when I'm vlogging or anything like that, or if I'm somewhere else in a different location I need to record, I can plop it on here. This is sturdy, it's heavy duty, so I love this. And I actually bought a cheap version of this a long time ago, and it just broke off. The knobs were coming off, so definitely invest into a good tripod because you gotta protect your investment. And that's the reason why I bought all of these accessories, because I want to protect in my investment. This is for content, and other things when I want to upload products and stuff like that. This needs to make sure that it is protected. So if you buy your camera from Best Buy, just order some accessories off of Amazon. Okay. Oh, and another thing about this camera is that it don't come with a port where you can have an external mic. So the Mark G7X3 do, but the Mark G7X2 do not. So if you want to plug in one of those microphones or anything like that, you cannot do that with this camera. So another thing about this camera is that the overall quality of this camera is really amazing. For it to be so small, it does justice. The quality of how it shoots, just everything about it, it's definitely worth every penny. Every penny it's worth, and this can also be used as your main recording camera. Now, do your reviews on it, because I've heard that sometimes it can overheat if it's running over 30 minutes or something like that. So definitely do your research, but it's definitely a versatile camera. An extra charger. So the battery on it is not to me the best. It dies fairly quickly to me. So I did buy off Amazon, I bought 2 additional chargers and additional memory cards. So yeah, definitely invest in another charger when you get this. And I also think that if you're planning on getting this camera, to definitely do your research on settings, figure out your main purpose for this camera, whether it's for beauty content, vlogging, whatever you're trying to sell, or whatever the case is, whatever you're trying to use this for. If you're trying to create mini movies and things like that, I would research camera settings so you can get the best usage out of your camera, because what the settings I have for might not work for you, because that's not what you're using the camera for. So definitely research your settings so you can properly get the full functionality of this camera. It is too good to waste, so you want to make sure you're up on every detail that you can think of about it. It is easy to maneuver. You do have to get used to it, as far as just, it's touchscreen, so I do like that, but just the functionalities of it. But it's fairly easy. It's not a whole lot of buttons or anything like that. I also like that it's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can Wi-Fi pictures that you take off of this straight to your iPhone and have the best quality pictures for your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whatever you post on. So it's definitely a go-to. It's definitely going to be my you know what I'm saying, my go-to, my right hand, because, you know what I'm saying, we gotta be out here, we gotta be like, smile for the camera. So yeah, so other than that, guys, this is basically it for this unboxing. I definitely will post more reviews about this as I start to get more comfortable with this camera. So yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I will leave the links of where I got my accessories from. And if your overall question is, do I recommend this camera? And yes, I do recommend this camera, because it has the versatility, the quality, it's lightweight, it's not too steep in price if you buy the bundle package, but if you buy everything separate, obviously, it adds up, I definitely think that getting accessories for your camera is an investment, and it protects your investment. So off bat, get accessories for it. But other than that, I definitely think that is a wonderful camera to have. So if you like videos like this, then let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.